Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Today I'm going to show you how I reuse my Ambunu leaves, and you can too. So Ambunu is really good for cleansing your hair, for detangling. It's amazing for detangling your hair. It acts as a natural cleanser. It has antifungal properties, and it also does a good job with keeping your hair moisturized. You can use it in different ways, as a shampoo, as a conditioner, as a leave-in conditioner. You can infuse it into your hair products and make different things with it. So of course, to use it again would be wonderful, right? Because look at that, it's so good on our hair. So first thing I do is, after I remove the drain of the Ambunu, I take it and I take the leaves and I pour the leaves into my plastic bag. Now you can put that into a container, that's fine, but I do prefer putting it into a plastic bag. If you're looking for a way to buy Ambunu, you can find it on our Amazon shop, and also Shibe USA also sells it. So this is what it looks like after I've put it into my bag, and I just make sure that all the hair gets out of the bag. And then the last thing that I just do is I make sure to just seal the bag well, and then we just put it in the freezer. Now you can keep this as long as you want. I kind of kept it for a while. So what I do is I just take it and I warm up my hot water, and I sit the frozen Ambunu leaves in the hot water, and I kind of break it apart so that it can not dissolve. You don't dissolve the leaves, but I just sit it in there and I wait for 30 minutes. I make sure to just let the leaves really get saturated with the hot water, just to get the last life out of it. Okay, so we're just gonna let it just fester and just sit for 30 minutes. Okay, so after you've just done that and you've let it sit for 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. The water is not as dark as it was when you originally started, but I'm going to go and I'm going to drain it using a stocking once again. You can use a strainer, but I used a stocking. I'm just going to pour the Ambunu leaves in there with the fluid and stuff. And when you're pouring it, be very careful. Don't be like me that dropped a little bit in there. Some people do use these leaves as just the way it is without straining it, but I always strain it because it's so hard to get out of your hair. And as you see, as I strain it, you can see the water is kind of turning into this dark thin liquid thing. You can see it right over there. That is the gel extracting from the leaves. Now this you do want to use only one time, and you see the slipperiness is still there, but it's not as intensive as the first time you ever used it. So if you want to know how to use Ambunu in your hair to shampoo your hair, to cleanse your hair, you can click on that link that just popped up. We have a full playlist on Ambunu. We also have DIYs and other things that you'll be getting on how to use Ambunu in different ways. So if you've not yet subscribed, please feel free to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.